day 22 of our Leap to Lead course. Please give the video a like. There you go. Press the button. Thank you very much. Okay, so we are looking at some of the Party with Purpose training because it is a really good way of getting your sales up, getting out there, getting hosts, and therefore getting consultants, because I find that my best consultants are always the people who already have Scentsy and love it and probably have hosted parties as well. They are by far the best consultants when it comes to starting quickly and really engaging with the products because they have a passion for it. And we know that if you have a passion for something, then it isn't selling, it is simply sharing. And that is what we want people to do. So we've looked at prospecting, and we've looked at booking the parties, and now we want to look at host coaching. So I'm going to share 3 very short training videos that come from Scentsy, which are on host coaching. And I want to share my particular tips that I have used. So go and watch their trainings. They are very short, and I'm going to share them. But the most important thing is a few tips that I have learned along the way with all the parties that I've done. Number 1, you need to write a wish list with your people. It is absolutely awesome if you can get the potential party host to engage with you and actually come up with a list of things that they want from this party. Then you can say to them, okay, Maggie, if this is what you want from your party, then if you do $300 or euros of sales, then this is what you can get. Oh, you want that diffuser, and that's it. Excite them to get the more expensive stuff, because then they're going to need a much bigger party. So coaching your host by writing a wish list is a really big one. Try if possible to do that in person when dropping off their party pack. Another biggie. Do you have a party pack for Scentsy? Do you drop off catalogues and order forms and possibly a borrow bag so that if they don't already have Scentsy, they can take it out and show it? In there, I put my top 20 testers as well, so they can get orders from people who cannot make the party, and they can market the product. I also include an introductory letter, and I include a form where we can put their wish list on it. Remind me, guys, and I will share my letter that I do for my customers, and you should be working to put something similar together. It explains what time I'll turn up, it explains what I'm expecting from the party, it explains that we take cash in advance and things like that. You can also include invites, because I honestly believe if you invite people using those old-fashioned methods of face-to-face asking, handing over invites, giving out samples at the same time, and make people feel special and that you actually personally want them to turn up, rather than Facebook groups or WhatsApp and things like that, then you will get more people turning up. Host coaching isn't just a one-off thing. It is something that you will do a few weeks before the party when you drop your pack off. Don't do it too far in advance because people forget about their party. And then you do it a week before, checking in with them. Hey, how you doing? Do you have any pre-orders? Discussing ideas for maybe marketing the party, checking that they have given out the invites and that hopefully they're not just relying on Facebook or WhatsApp to do the work for them. And then the day before the party, checking in with them again, final numbers. Hey, do you have those final numbers so that I can make sure I have everything sorted for those people? Talking about the particular style of party that you're going to be having. Are you going to play some games? Are you going to do the laundry party where you ask everybody to bring a tea towel with them? You're going to hear about ideas like that on these videos that I'm sharing. So your homework for Leap to Lead for today is go away and watch these videos on the host coaching, and I want you to begin work on your own host packet. If you already have one, congratulations, yay! And if you do, then please make sure that it is tip-top, and if you don't, start work on one, because landing parties is where you can get the most sales in the shortest amount of time. And at the end of the day, even though we sell in so many different ways, we are a party plan company, and you will always make the most money and do the best if you are a party person. And I still get super sick every time I go out to do a party with nerves, but I still push myself to do it because I know that every time I overcome my fear of doing parties, that I grow a little bit more, because magic happens just outside your comfort zone. So that's it from me. It is host coaching. And I know you guys can do a really good job of this. It is a skill, and it is something you can continue to pick up on and get better on all the way through your Scentsy career. So bye for now, guys. And remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so that you can get all our Leap to Lead videos. Bye for now.